Cars Brick Got Keys back with another video. As y'all can see, we had a car wash, you feel me? We got a bunch of Hellcat scat packs, you feel me? Blue Rain back there. But you already don't know. I guess today we doing a music video shoot for RMC Mike. I don't know what song or what video it's for, but we gonna have these Hellcat scat packs outside and hopefully we get some action. We through this bitch, y'all. I normally don't never take my car through this type of car wash, but fuck it. It is what it is. Sometimes you can't go through the struggle of hand washing your car every single time. Damn, them being strong as hell, but it's blowing my hood around. Alright, y'all, we made it out the car wash. Let's see how good of a job they did. Damn. They put the tire shine on this bitch. I ain't even know they was finna do that. They got this bitch looking right. I ain't gonna lie. Let's check all the other cars and see how good they did. They put the tire shine on this one too. Ooh, they got all the cars looking right. You feel me? I ain't gonna lie. Let me know what y'all think about these wheels right here. I kind of like these wheels. I think these and the wheels that I got on my car, the 5-spokes, are the best ones. I kind of want a set of Daytonas for when I'm tired of the 5-spokes. Let me know if y'all want to see Daytonas on my car. We got these bitches washed. Now we on the way back to Babyfxce. Let me make sure it's in Mr. Slack Cat mode. Hold on. We in Mr. Slack Cat mode. This bitch was spinning hard as hell. This your first time in 1,000 horses, yeah, like.
Bro, how the fuck do your blower keep sounding like that? That bitch sound like some Star Wars shit. Like,
I don't know. It's like. Like when I'm really like doing pulls on our freeway, this bitch sound completely different. Like all you hear is the high ass pitch of whine. My blower loud as hell. I ain't gonna lie. Bro, Ju, tell them what you doing, bro.
Them ones ain't curved back.
Tell my YouTube what you doing, Ju.
Bro, I'm changing my tires out, man.
My tire, you
Cause I broke. I blew my whole wheel out. I ain't gonna lie.
Bro, this nigga, he drove his car through the car wash, and the wheel.
You had to change your shit.
Look, I can show y'all better than what I can tell y'all. This will happen when he drove his shit through the car wash. This bitch just start leaking on, bro. But his tires is bald in the back anyway. Let me know if y'all think his car look better with the black wheels than the color wheels he had on there. I ain't gonna lie, with the black it looked mean. With the every color that was, it just looked more friendly. Yeah, it looked friendly.
Like you freak bitch.
Yeah.
No, nigga, you know you that pussy ass cat.
Like this is just saying,
Race me.
yeah, it's just saying, I want to bite.
Them bitches giving old nigga.
Them bitches
Don't go over 30.
Yeah.
I like that. This bitch give. I'm about to run from the police.
No, hell no.
No, this bitch gives charge.
This nigga. Bro, this nigga got a Lambo, though. Fucking Charger. Oh my God, that's CMB free. CMB free. This bitch will take over the car now. Hell no. This bitch will take over the car. Damn. Y'all can see Mr. Slack got hungry. Let me show y'all a little bit of what I'm eating right now. So you got a terry milk with bacon, eggs. Hey. Fuck all that. got cars on front. I'm my boy Earl C. Mike. That bitch loud as hell. Damn. It's something done to that bitch. I'm gonna get back to show when we get somewhere, right? BBE! Hey, you could park right here. You could park right here. Yeah. Look at the BBE mobile. Hey, why does this bitch sound like it's Cam though? What you do to this bitch? Alright, we through this bitch, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. We got a whole line of cars right here. I don't know what the fuck going on. Hey, that's crazy. I don't know what to do right now. I don't know where the fuck the cops gonna be at. I want to kind of be in the middle. Damn, he can't even roll his. He can't even roll his windows down. This is the moment I've been waiting for some action. Niggas been chilling and shit. What's that word, bitch? Yo, son. Shit. JD ain't ready for this shit, y'all. So boy, you sound crazy, nigga. Like, damn, I ain't never rolling no shit that gone. Damn, listen to them flips and rolls. Everybody in this lane though. Why he turn? Oh, he's supposed to turn right. Bitch, so yeah, bring it up. I'm not slack cat. I'm brick because we in Mexico. Yeah. It's a green screen. It's a green screen. This is all fake content. This is not real shit. Oh, bitch. That bitch. Why'd you stop at the gas station? He did. We about to spin back around. Should we spin back around? Yeah, come through here. We through this bitch, y'all. We through this bitch. What's good, y'all? Y'all on the plug. What's good? We got my boy RMC Mike outside. You feel me? Y'all know what the free the ghetto. We got my boy SRT Blue. We got everybody outside. You feel me?
You know what it is, cuz.
We about to turn up for my nigga RMC Mike. I'm finna show him how to slack kitty get wild.
Nigga, we finna show them how we really get down out here. No cap. We finna really.
I hope they ain't already there sliding though. That nigga was pushing that bitch. I ain't gonna lie. That nigga acting like this a Detroit takeover. Yeah. They acting like we. Hey, this is rum. This is rum, Michigan. They acting like this is Detroit. They acting like this is Detroit. My boy Dion. Tell him subscribe to your YouTube channel, man.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, bro. Dion got fans on.
For y'all don't know, let me show y'all what Dion just caught. Tell him about your new V.
You know, big wild body, man. You know, he ain't coming slim body.
This your new V?
Hell yeah, new V, bro. You know, wild body G. Last call, by the way.
Last call.
Nigga. Wild body G. No cap.
Say the last call's got a little bit of wine to him.
Last call got the wine to it. For real. Wait till you know, max this bitch out. Watch this. Give me a minute. This bitch gonna be maxed out.
He about to get this bitch right. I know he about to put the lip on that bitch. What you finna leave the brakes black?
Hell no, I was thinking of color, but I can't tell him the color yet, bro. The color gonna be sweet as hell.
He gonna have to tell me once I turn this camera off.
Oh God, man, this bitch gonna be sweet as hell.
Why you ain't take the lip off?
Oh, cuz, I don't know. Don't take it off. No, I said the same thing. I said I'm gonna just leave it on. Just cuz.
They put this right here for.
But yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's why I said I'm gonna leave
They
it on.
didn't do that at first. At first, they just put the little pink thing on there without the little paper. But that paper gonna protect your face.
That's what I'm saying. That's why I left it.
Hey, we can't be here too long though.
Yeah, come on.
Every time. Badges off a scat and told the cat nigga line it up. Who said it's hot? How it's hot?
Come on, we out here. All right, park up, park up.
My nigga breaking this bitch.
The police over here at Babyfxce, yo. Who in that car?
Hey, how you doing?
No one's shooting fireworks at each other, are they?
No.
They had like tunes on their cars. That's what it was.
I'm not worried about it.
Yeah, I don't know who them guys is. They seen all these cars over here and tried to make they exhaust pop or something like that.
Yeah,
Some
trying
weirdo
to
ass shit.
Intimidate y'all.
Yeah.
What are you guys, a car group or something like that?
No.
Not really.
This is my brother's shop, Sam.
Brother shop?
Yeah.
Cool. You guys don't have a car group?
Nah.
You guys don't rock the big old stickers in the back?
Nope.
That sticker, that car group shit lame, man.
It's big in Texas, man.
It's big
Nah.
in Texas.
Big
Oh
in
yeah. I
Texas.
already
Are you
know.
from Texas?
No, I had a couple buddies stationed in Texas. They ripped around in their Chargers with their car group on the back of there.
Oh
You
yeah.
guys not gonna be causing no issues, right?
Nope.
We really just came here to figure out what we was finna do.
All right. Don't rip around in the city.
Oh no, we already know that because my boy owned this shop. Like
Yeah.
he big on that. We
Wait
already
until you
know.
get on the highway, rip around. You know? It's a little bit safer.
Yeah, we know the neighbors over there. She got kids and stuff like that.
Alright.
We was telling them earlier they was flying through here like.
All right.
Yeah, they got.
Just y'all be safe and just know that people are gonna complain about anything. You start your car, it's gonna be too loud. Someone's gonna call.
Yeah.
And
I don't think we got no loud. No, your shit too loud.
you never know. Someone will drive by and see a group of people with their cars and just
Yeah.
because they're a group of people with their cars. Man.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
be
but
safe.
it's not a lot of us right now, so yeah.
Keep it down and enjoy your night. All right.
All right, you too.
Appreciate you.
Yep.
On that car.
Damn, you think it's
Bullshit, bitch. We got Babyfxce E and the cat, man.
They used to call me Baby E, now they call me Face now. I don't need a heat, I can knock you with a face towel.
You know what the fuck going on? And this bitch. Hey, look.
Say it on there.
1,000 horses.
That steering wheel tell it all, I ain't gonna lie. Now you just gotta get a flame to him, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, my plane too coming soon. Gotta get the flame too. This dark as hell through these
I need my shit to sound like that. Come on, man.